Hey friends, so if you're facing very hard time, it's not a coincidence that you're watching this video. Today I want to share to you the best way for you to get help from rich and kind people, and I really don't know how much is going to be enough for you, but other people they need at least $5,000 for them to solve all the problems that they may be facing. There are other people they need at least $1,000, $2,000. It just depends on the situation that they are in right now. So it depends on how much you really want, but I'm going to promise you that if you're going to follow all these methods that I'm going to mention in this video, is really going to be very useful to you, and you are going to get money, you are going to get financial help from these kind and rich people. I'm going to mention all the things that you need to do for you to get help from these people. Without taking any of your time, let's jump right into it. So the reason that made me believe that you're really going to get financial help just by using all these methods that I'm going to share with you in this video is that 4 days ago I was on this platform and I saw this amazing woman who was asking for $10,000 on this platform. She was saying like she was passing very hard time, this and this, and you can see her story down here. But I want to show you how she received the money in a very easy way, and if you're going to do this, you are also going to be the one who is going to receive money in a very easy way, just following all these methods that I'm going to share with you in this video. So the first time this woman was asking for money on this platform, as you can see here, she received $0. And I was like, all the time I was checking on this page to see how much she's going to receive. So after 7 hours, she received $200 on the platform, and I was so amazed on that, like how she received all that money within a very short time. So I went back and see how much she received within 24 hours. I came to find out that she received more than $22,000 on the platform. So this is where it got interesting, and I was very interested to see how much she's going to make at the end of the day. So after 3 days on the platform, she received more than $50,000. Just imagine, she's not famous, not a lot of people know about this woman, but she had genuine intention, she had pure heart that made her receive all this money. So as we speak right now, this woman has received up to $70,000 on the platform within 1 week. So I know that you have been trying different ways for you to get free money on the platform since maybe 2022 up to now. You haven't received any amount from these kind of people or rich people. So I came to find out this secret way for people who are going to receive money on the platform, what exactly they do to make sure that they will receive this money in a very easy way. So this is what I want to share with you today, and this is a secret. If you're going to unlock this secret, and if you're going to do everything that I'm going to share with you in this video, you'll be the one who is going to receive this kind of money in the next line. So let's see what's so different about you asking for free money for a really long time and never be able to get all this money. But this woman, just last week, she received all this money, and I'm so interested to share with you this. So this is what you have to do right now. I want you to follow this little advice that I want to share with you, and this can be very useful to you. So this woman is just like me and you. She's not famous, she doesn't have a lot of followers on Instagram. She's just a normal woman who was asking for help and got the help that she needed. So what I saw about this woman is that there are these Instagram influencer who is doing very amazing work. It's called Zackery on Instagram, and Zackery went to this woman and they had this conversation, and this woman was opening like, I'm passing through hard time right now. I don't have money to pay for my rent, I don't have this and this, I don't have business right now, I'm employed. This is what this woman said on that interview with this Zackery. This is like the very famous person on Instagram helping people who are passing very hard time. So what I can encourage you right now is that this woman got this help she needed because she opened. There was this video that went viral So people saw this video and decided to help. So how do you make sure that you can also get this help that you need from this internet? She didn't get all this money because she was lucky, not. She got all this money because she opened and people listened to her. Her video went viral and people wanted to donate money for her to make her happy and all that. So what I want you to do right now is that you can also be the one who is going to change your life completely right now, just by doing a video, just by recording a video, post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok, because you don't have a person who is going to record a video for you and post on their social media to help you. But since Instagram doesn't have limitation, TikTok doesn't have limitation, your video can go viral in a minute. You have to do the same thing, because every time that people or anyone who is going to listen to your story and feel motivated to donate money for you is going to do that. You don't have to feel shy. You may want to go ahead and click a record button right now and explain what you're really going through right now in your life. And it can be your friend, it can be your family member who is facing a very hard time right now, and record a video about her, record a video about him, explaining what she's going through, and post it on Instagram, post it on TikTok. These platforms don't have limitation. Your video can go to Europe, can go viral to America, Asia, and people may feel the need to help you. So if no one is going to help you, you may be the one who is going to help your family, is going to help your community, or you can be the one who is going to serve yourself. So I think this is what motivated me so much. And if you had the courage to record your video right now, you may never know when your time is coming, because right now we are living in this generation that people are very kind, and people they have a lot of money, and people they need to help, but it's really hard for them to help you if they haven't heard anything about you, if they haven't had any story that you want to share to the world. So I encourage you, don't have to feel shy. You have to go ahead, record a video, post it on Instagram. People are going to listen to it, and people are going to feel the need to donate money for you, as how they donated money for this beautiful woman. But the good thing about this woman is that her video was shared with this famous person on Instagram. That's the reason like she got all these people donating money for her. For you and me, since we don't have a person who can post our videos and go viral like that, we may start ourselves by posting on our accounts, share our story on Instagram account, share our story on TikTok account, and people are going to listen to our story and feel resonate, feel motivated to help us. So don't give up. Don't give up, because what I learned is that in the next 100 years from now, no one is gonna remember about your video. It can be your neighbor you're afraid of, or any person that you're really afraid of you making this video. But I want to tell you that in the next 100 or 50 years, no one is gonna remember about this video that you're gonna record asking for help. So you really don't have to think, you really don't need to start thinking about how people are going to react after seeing your video online. You really don't have to think about that. But since you have genuine intention, you really need help, people are really going to help you out just after hearing your story. So thanks so much, and I really hope that you're going to try out and record a video, post on the Instagram, TikTok. Keep posting at least two times a week, or one time every single week, and post it for more than 2 months asking for help. You can start a challenge like posting asking for help every single week, and people are going to find your video and people are going to donate money for you. This video has really inspired me, and that's the reason I decided to record a video like this, explaining the best way for you to get free money, to get financial help, is for you to go ahead and click record button, explain yourself what is really going on in your life. Like you don't have money to pay for medical bills, you don't have money to pay for school fees. Go ahead, share this video to the world, and people are going to listen to you, people are going to donate money for you. You just have to be genuine, You just have to be transparent. You really don't need to lie anything. You have to be honest with this situation that you know you are passing through right now. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. Thanks so much, and see you next time.